Laurior Pillow is marketed as an ergonomic pillow that promises better neck support, deeper sleep, and relief from neck and shoulder discomfort. The ads can make it seem like the perfect solution for waking up pain-free. But the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, a quality pillow can improve sleeping comfort and support proper neck alignment. However, no single pillow works perfectly for everyone. What it does well may improve sleeping comfort. A supportive pillow can reduce pressure on the neck and shoulders. Designed for better neck support. Ergonomic shapes may help keep your head and neck in a more neutral position, where the height falls apart. It won't cure chronic neck pain. This is the biggest issue. A pillow cannot treat underlying medical conditions or injuries. Comfort is highly personal. The ideal pillow height and firmness vary from person to person. It may take time to adjust. Switching to an ergonomic pillow often requires several nights of use. So, should you buy Laurior Pillow? Short answer, only with realistic expectations. It may improve comfort and provide better neck support, but expecting it to eliminate pain or solve every sleep problem is unrealistic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.